Welcome to Pflugerville Pfocus. Coming up, proclamations at City Council, boards, commission, and committee openings, PF 101, and more. I had the honor of presenting 5 proclamations recognizing essential causes and community initiatives in the city of Pflugerville. We declared October 2025 as Breast Cancer Awareness Month, Domestic Violence Awareness Month, Disability and Inclusion Awareness Month, and Community Planning Month. We also issued a proclamation designating October 21st as Unplug Texas Day. Each proclamation highlights our community's ongoing commitment to awareness, inclusion, and prioritizing the well-being of all who call Pflugerville home. We're looking for dedicated community members to serve on the City of Pflugerville's 2026 boards, commissions, and committees. Each fall, the city accepts applications from residents who want to help shape the future of our community. We will hold interviews in December. Selected members will begin their terms at the start of the new year. To be eligible, you must be a registered voter who has lived within the city limits for at least 12 months prior to appointment. Help make a difference in your community. Applications for PF 101 are open. Seats are first come, first served, and fill up fast, so don't wait to apply. This 9-week program runs from January through March 2026. Participants will see behind the scenes at the city's day-to-day operations and meet our talented staff. Sign up now to get an inside perspective on how your local government operates. Make a splash at the Floating Pumpkin Patch on Saturday, October 25th from 12 to 3:30 p.m. at Gilliland Creek Pool. This unique fall event invites participants to dive in and pick their perfect pumpkin right from a heated pool. After you've made your pick, stick around to personalize your pumpkin at our decoration station and enjoy seasonal fun with your family and friends. Purchase your tickets now. Thanks for watching this edition of Pflugerville Focus. Our next regular City Council meeting is October the 28th. We will see you there.